Let's compare these different wireless CarPlay devices to see which one works best for you and your needs. First up with the Monexley one, this is going to be a direct plug and play. All of mine I'm going to be using a converter for because my car is a USB-C. It's super easy to use. You just connect it. It pairs through Bluetooth. It is a pretty fast connection and it has advanced 5G chips, so I didn't notice any sort of a delay when I was using it. It is also able to operate with anything that's an iPhone iOS 11 or newer, or a car wired that's a 2017 or newer. With the HaMeby CarPlay Adapter, it works for Apple iPhone and also has the capability to have your Siri be used as well for it. It converts wired to wireless Apple CarPlay. It's mini size with an extension cable if you needed it as well. Super easy to pair. It's just plug and play and connects through Bluetooth. Also has the Wi-Fi capability for connection on it. And you're able to use your navigation, calls, music, or calendar like you could with any type of CarPlay that you had as well. Now, the Ninja Wireless CarPlay Adapter is going to be compatible with older iPhones and older cars, which I like a lot. So it is compatible with an iPhone 6 Plus and 2015 car. So if you have an older car or an older phone, this is for you. Super easy to use. Plug connection through Bluetooth, can also be connected through Wi-Fi, and it is stable connection. It's fast, it's easy to use, and able to be used through your wheel controls or any OEM knob that you have. It is a sleek design. It does not have any sort of cord, but again, I needed an extension cord for my particular phone for the type of phone that I have, but very easy to use as well. Lastly, Aurora Link is going to be for you Android users. So if you have an Android, this is going to be for you. This is a 2-in-1 fast and stable CarPlay wireless adapter that works for iOS 10 and Android 11 Plus. I like that it's capable for Androids because not a lot of them have the Android capability. Super easy to use, just plug in, you can connect through Bluetooth, and it's a stable connection, no delay, capable to be used with Siri or Hey Google, and it is definitely the most versatile out of all of them. The HaMeby Wireless Apple CarPlay Adapter for iPhone is such an easy Apple CarPlay conversion. It has a stable control, no delay, and it's a very sleek design as well. So I'm just using my converter here to get it plugged in, since my car has USB-C, and the speed is faster. It's 5 times faster. It takes essentially just a few seconds to connect. Very easy to do. All you have to do is connect it through Bluetooth, and your Apple CarPlay is connected. It connects through your navigation, calls, music, calendar, just like you will for any other Apple CarPlay, and you can use Siri as well. It's very easy to pair, nothing that is going to take a crazy amount of time, and it supports all apps that are adapted with Apple CarPlay, whereas some other connected devices don't.